Mary Berry stars in trailer for Best Home Cook. Sign up for free now for the biggest moments from morning TV. Subscribe and valid email. When you subscribe, we will use the information you provide to send you these newsletters. Sometimes they'll include recommendations for other related newsletters or service. Our privacy notice explains more about how we use your data and your rights. You can unsubscribe at any. Mary Berry, 85, is known for cooking up a storm in the kitchen with delicious delights including Victoria sponges and fluff. However, the Queen of Cakes has shared it does not always come easy for her to create her show-stopping dishes. After suffering from polio as a young child left her with a funny hand. Polio is a disabling and life-threatening virus which can cause paralysis in parts of the body and infect a person. Mary was 13 when she contracted the disease, which resulted in a 3-month cast, but thankfully the condition only affected the left side of her body but left her with a funny hand, which some TV viewers have mistaken for a threat. Speaking on the importance of having the coronavirus vaccine, Mary said, "I had polio, but now almost the whole world is vaccinated again. If you're in a hospital like I was, with people in calibers, people in pain, people who aren't going to get better, I think everyone should take the vaccine, not query it, and think of others." She added to Radio Times, "I was immensely. I only had it on my left side, and I've got a funny left hand. Everybody thinks I look a bit funny when I'm rolling pastry, but I have no other difficulties." The star admitted that the virus had meant she isn't as good at sport as she used to be. However, she is grateful to still be active in her 80s and busy with her career. "I was let off very lightly. I'm grateful," she admitted. Mary and her husband Paul Hunnings both received their coronavirus vaccine early. The government has this week urged anyone over the age of 70 who has not had their jab to contact the Health Secretary. Matt Hancock said in a press statement, "Thanks to the huge efforts of the NHS, volunteers and local authorities, we have vaccinated an incredible 12 million vulnerable. We are on track to meet our goal of offering everyone in the top 4 priority groups. And so far we have said please wait until the NHS contacts you. I now urge everyone aged 70 and over who hasn't yet had a vaccination to come forward and contact the NHS to book and if you have grandparents, relatives and friends over 70, please encourage them to book an appointment as soon as possible, so they can be protected against this awful virus." In under 10 weeks, the health service has delivered 11 million vaccinations. Trending. Meanwhile, Mary has been busy working on a number of different projects including her latest show Celebrity. The program sees 10 celebrities battle it out to become the first ever winner of the contestants on the program include Towie star Fern McCann and Strictly Come Dancing Alan Curry. The food writer is also appearing alongside famed chef Jamie Oliver and presenter Jimmy Doherty in their cafe on South End Pier for tonight's Friday night. The trio will wander down memory lane as they serve up classic dishes including retro crab cocktail and potted shrimp. Jamie and Jimmy's Friday Night Feast airs tonight on Channel 4 at 8 p.m.